Super huge. You ready? Ooh, somebody's being very cooperative.
She's liking how it feels.
Yes. I know pups are looking good. With the quality show. You want to see a spine? Watch a spine on the top there. So you see this white line?
Oh yeah, it's right
Yeah,
there.
you see? Yeah. And that's the intestines. Not the intestine, but the organs. Like one link to his too, so we're watching this one straight down. So if I turn the probe, we can see it linked to his too. So far, all nice, healthy looking pups.
How many you reckon?
You see him straight through this puppy. They look beautiful.
So if it starts to get a little exciting now.
Yes. You see 3 puppies right there? So the angle are cutting through them. Look, one on the left, one in the middle. This one going straight through one. So if I turn the probe, you might get one link to it. Oh, you see the ribs?
Yes.
Look at it. Beautiful. So I turn the probe. Let's see if I can get a heartbeat. Yeah.
Sliding.
Ultrasound in my lap.
Yeah. She loves that. Kai used to do that with her, make her sit in her lap.
Yep. Today we're doing some ultrasound. This is Roxy. She had a history of mammary gland carcinoma, breast cancer. So the tumor has grown back, and we're gonna do a check to see if it moved to the spleen. See that big artery there? See it pumping? If I had Doppler, that would be real nice right now. So this one was just double checking because when tumors return, it can also move to the spleen and liver. But Roxy was okay. I hope you enjoyed this short clip of some of the adventures of ultrasound day.